Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing the Create Creatine Gummies, a supplement that turns one of the most researched fitness enhancers into a sweet gummy form. We tested them to see if they're worth the hype or just overpriced candy. Creatine is known for boosting strength, muscle recovery, and workout performance. The gummies provide the standard 5 grams of creatine monohydrate in a convenient format. After using them daily, we noticed the same strength improvements, faster recovery, and better performance during high-intensity workouts, just like with powder creatine. The main difference was that these were far easier to take. No mixing, no chalky aftertaste, and genuinely enjoyable. However, we also realized that we were paying extra for that convenience. The pros are effectiveness equal to powdered creatine, excellent convenience, great taste, and no hassle. The cons are the higher price per serving, the added sugar compared to plain powder, and the fact that you can get the same benefits much cheaper with traditional creatine. Overall, Create Creatine Gummies work exactly as they should, but the main selling point is convenience and taste. If you hate powders and want a fun way to create creatine, they're worth it. If you're budget focused, stick to the basics. This has been how to really keep things smart and simple and scam free.